Hey everybody, welcome back. So in today's video I have Boxycharm unboxing. As you can tell by the title, in my videos I go through Boxycharm and tell you guys what's cruelty free and what's not cruelty free. I used to do this with Ipsy too. I dropped Ipsy. Now I have Petit 4 box coming, and I decided to drop the two boxes in one because if you're just interested in Boxycharm, you can watch one. If you're really interested in Petit 4, you can watch that too. So I just decided to split it up into two videos, and that helps people out because Petit 4 is all cruelty free and Boxycharm is about 70-30. So let's go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened mine box yet, and I actually haven't seen any really good sneak peeks yet. I mean, I think I know a little bit of what's coming in here, but not, I mean, I haven't really had any good spoilers. So the first thing that I see in here that I already know is not cruelty free, which is pretty unfortunate, is the Glam Glow. I know Glam Glow is not cruelty free, and that's actually unfortunate, but this is a really cool thing. It's a daily conditioning cleanser. So I mean, I don't know what I will end up doing with this, but it's like really cool packaging. See the thing. So it's just like it looks like just a facial cleanser. Yeah, daily conditioning cleanser. It says apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in circular motions, rinse well and pat dry. So I mean, super cool, full-size product, but I mean, that's pretty much the biggest thing in the box. Okay, the next thing that I have in here is a Dose of Colors. A Dose of Colors is cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny approved, and that is really good news for us. So let's go ahead and open this. And it is a matte lipstick. Oh, bad news. Mine came broken. Ooh, this is turning out to not be the greatest Boxycharm. So I'm going to have to end up throwing this away, but I kind of want to open it and see how it actually broke. Like, so it looks like this part is intact, the plastic, but this inner white part came broken. So like the stopper itself is broken. Looks like a really pretty color. That's kind of disappointing, and I really was like excited to try Dose of Colors. So that is going to end up going in the garbage just because it's broken. There's nothing else I can do with it, but I got the color Pinky Promise. That's pretty unfortunate. So pretty much two fails, kind of. So we have something from Ciate. It looks like a cream shadow. So Ciate is cruelty free. You can see the bunny on there. So I'm excited about this. I love cream shadows. And let's open it up and see what color we got. Wow. So it looks like eye luster thing. I'm not sure if it has a shade name. Yeah, I don't know if it has a shade name, but it looks really pretty. Here's what it looks like. It's almost purpley goldish color. So cool. I'm totally gonna try this out. Like, totally stoked to try this. So that is a win on my part for sure. See, it's like purple, gold, purple, gold. Super cool. Okay, so I think we have one more thing in here, and it is the next thing we got is the blush palette from Lumiere. I believe that's how you say it, and the colors look really nice. Here are them swatched right there. I'm actually excited to try this. After the swatching on my hand, I'm not so nervous to try it as I was like kind of originally, but they just kind of looked a little bit more intimidating. Like this shade, I was like, ooh, that's kind of orange. So I'm thinking of doing like a video using all the stuff, or putting it all together, a whole full face per se, because they don't really have like foundation or anything. Sometimes you can get a concealer. Thinking of doing like one with like full face of like stuff from Boxycharm. So let me know if you guys think that would be good. The next thing is a Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. And I'm excited about this because Bodyography is cruelty-free. So far, we only have one thing in here that's not cruelty-free, and that's the Glam Glow thing. And Dose of Colors is kind of a fail because it broke. I wonder if there's a way I can contact Boxycharm. Ooh, this is nice. It's kind of it's more of an aqua kind of emerald tone here. I'm actually, really excited to get this because I was going through my liners today actually and looking, and I was like, man, I really want to get some new aligners. I feel like I've been using the same stuff and it's just been so repetitive, and I was like excited that this is in here. So let's recap. I don't even actually have to look anything up because everything I already know is cruelty-free and stuff is already printed. So the blush palette, the face palette, is cruelty-free. It says it here on the back here. So that is the blush palette, cruelty-free. Bodyography I do know is cruelty-free. The Ciate cream. I need to slow down. I'm just throwing stuff. I'm dropping stuff. I'm a little bit slurring my words. This feels like I've been like sleep deprived or something. But the Ciate cream liquid eyeshadow is really cool. I'm excited about that. So the next thing is Glam Glow. I'm thinking of maybe just kind of like, I just don't know, and I'm just not going to use it. So, and then this is the Dose of Colors I have to throw away because it's totally broken. And the color of this, it actually hasn't even dried down all the way, and I don't know if it's just because it's been open for a long time. Let me actually double check real quick while I'm with you, and I'm going to look up Boxycharm and what I can do if I get something that's broken. So it looks like everybody got the Glam. Oh, actually, I don't want the Glam Glow. You could get the Glam Glow, or you can get First Aid Beauty, and I really wish I would have gotten the First Aid Beauty thing. So, but then also, instead of the blush palette, you could have got Milk Makeup something or another. So, and then also, okay, so that looks like that. I'm going to go ahead and looking this up right now. It says, what is your replacement policy? If you receive a damaged item, please send us an email within 14 days of receiving your box with the photo and damaged alongside the shipping label on your box. Both items must be photographed together in the same pictures. So, like, I need to take a picture of this Dose of Colors thing and, like, the damagedness of it, I guess. Like, if it was an eyeshadow palette, you would show that some of the shadows are cracked. And then please make sure to send us a picture like the one above. Please do not block out the name and address. So it's pretty much proving that it's you. Okay. If you are missing an item from your box, please let us know within 14 days. Sometimes we run out of stock of replacement items, although we cannot guarantee the same items. We will try our very best to make sure you receive the same shade or select or style of product. Okay. So I can definitely return this. I really wish I would be like, I don't really want this. I would like but I guess can't really do that. I'm like excited, but I'm like not excited, you know. The box is kind of making me happy. Alright, so I will return this. This I will figure out something to do with. Maybe I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, but someone will enjoy that. So this box was actually one of my most kind of eventful boxes. Everything in here except for one thing was cruelty-free. That is a bonus, so that we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a total of 5 products, and 4 are cruelty-free and 1 is not. And so that's a bonus for me. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram about how my return process goes, just for you guys to know in the future. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really this liquid lipstick still hasn't dried down all the way, so I'm kind of worried that maybe something happened to it. So okay, so let's just go recap. I'm not going to add stuff up just because if you want something or want to try something, you're just going to go for that product. So the Glam Glow that we are giving away because it's not cruelty-free is $28. The Lumiere Blush Duo is Blush Trio is $22. Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow is $22. That's kind of a lot for cream shadow because it's the same as the blush palette. And Dose of Colors liquid lipstick is $18. I personally would not pay that for a liquid lipstick just because I don't like liquid lipsticks. And Bodyography eyeliner pencil is $14. That's kind of a lot for an eyeliner pencil also because it's green. Okay, so those are my thoughts on that. These videos are going to start being a little bit more short and sweet, to the point. They're going to just be how they are. Also, since we dropped Ipsy, we're not going to do Petit Four in these videos. Petit Four is going to have its own video. I liked the way that went the last time. So if you guys like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you. This was exciting, and learning how to return something to Boxycharm. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and say thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!